Step into a garden brimming with life. Honeybees buzz, their furry bodies dusted with pollen. Swallowtail butterflies with their striking black and yellow wings dance from flower to flower. Ladybugs, tiny jewels with their bright red shells, patrol the leaves for aphids. This is a garden where insects are not just tolerated, but welcomed. This garden is a symphony of life, a testament to the intricate connections within nature. Every plant, every insect, plays a crucial role in this delicate balance. By choosing the right plants for your garden, you can create a haven for beneficial insects, transforming your outdoor space into a thriving ecosystem. This is not just about aesthetics, although a garden buzzing with life is undeniably beautiful. It's about recognizing the crucial role insects play in our environment. It's about understanding that by supporting insect diversity, we are supporting the health of our planet and, ultimately, ourselves. Bees, those tireless workers, are essential for pollination, carrying pollen from flower to flower and ensuring the reproduction of countless plants. Butterflies, with their delicate beauty, also contribute to pollination, flitting through the garden with their graceful flight. Ladybugs, those voracious predators, are natural pest control, keeping aphid populations in check. These are just a few examples of the beneficial insects that contribute to a healthy garden ecosystem. Hoverflies, with their bee-like appearance, are important pollinators while their larvae feast on aphids. Lacewings, with their delicate wings and golden eyes, are also aphid predators both in their larval and adult stages. These insects are not just visitors to our gardens, they are essential partners in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. By attracting and supporting them, we are not just creating a more beautiful garden, but a more resilient and productive one. To create a haven for pollinators, choose plants that provide both nectar and pollen. Bees are particularly attracted to blue, purple, and yellow flowers. Plant a variety of flowers with different shapes and sizes to attract a diversity of bees. Consider planting bee balm, Monarda, with its showy, nectar-rich blooms that attract bumblebees and honeybees alike. Purple coneflower, Echinacea purpurea, with its large, daisy-like flowers, is another favorite of pollinators, attracting bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds. For a burst of sunshine in the garden, plant sunflowers, Helianthus. Their towering stalks topped with large, pollen-rich flower heads. These giants are a magnet for bees and other pollinators. Remember, a diversity of plants will attract a diversity of pollinators, ensuring a healthy and vibrant garden ecosystem. Attracting beneficial predators to your garden is as simple as choosing the right plants. Many of these predators, like ladybugs and lacewings, are attracted to the same plants that attract their prey, such as aphids. Dill, Anethum graveolens, with its feathery foliage and umbrella-like flower heads, is a favorite of ladybugs and other beneficial insects. Fennel, Feniculum vulgare, with its similar appearance to dill, is another excellent choice, attracting ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps. Yarrow, Achillea millefolium, with its flat-topped clusters of tiny flowers, attracts a variety of beneficial insects including ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies. By incorporating these plants into your garden, you can create a welcoming environment for these natural pest control agents, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Butterflies, with their fluttering flight and vibrant colors, add a touch of magic to any garden. To attract these beautiful creatures, plant a variety of nectar-rich flowers in sunny locations. Butterflies are particularly fond of flat-topped or clustered flowers that provide a landing platform. Butterfly weed, with its clusters of bright orange flowers, is a must-have for any butterfly garden. This plant is a host plant for monarch butterflies, meaning that monarch caterpillars rely on it for food. Purple coneflower, with its large daisy-like flowers, is another butterfly favorite, providing a valuable source of nectar. For a touch of whimsy, plant cosmos, their delicate daisy-like flowers adding a splash of color to the garden while attracting butterflies and other pollinators. When choosing plants for your garden, consider incorporating native species. Native plants have evolved alongside native insects, providing them with the food and shelter they need to thrive. They are also adapted to local climates and soil conditions, making them easier to grow and maintain. Native wildflowers in particular are essential for supporting pollinator populations. These plants provide both nectar and pollen, supporting a wide range of bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Check with local nurseries or gardening groups to find out which native plants are best suited for your area. By planting native species, you are not just creating a beautiful garden but contributing to the health of the local ecosystem. You are providing essential habitat for native insects, birds, and other wildlife, supporting biodiversity and ecological balance. Creating a haven for beneficial insects goes beyond providing food sources. These creatures also need shelter, water, and overwintering sites. Leave some areas of your garden undisturbed with leaf litter and fallen branches to provide shelter for ground-dwelling insects. Create a simple water source for insects by filling a shallow dish with pebbles and water. The pebbles will provide landing spots for the insects to drink without falling in. Consider building or buying an insect hotel, a structure that provides nesting sites for solitary bees and other beneficial insects. These small actions can make a big difference in supporting insect diversity in your garden. By providing these essential resources, you are creating a more welcoming and hospitable environment for these creatures, ensuring their survival and well-being. Birds are another valuable ally in the garden, providing natural pest control by feeding on insects and their larvae. Attract birds to your garden by providing food, water, and nesting sites. Plant berry-producing shrubs and trees, such as serviceberries, elderberries, and dogwoods. Hang bird feeders filled with sunflower seeds, suet, or other bird-friendly foods. Provide a source of fresh water for drinking and bathing, such as a bird bath or a shallow dish. Offer nesting sites by putting up birdhouses or leaving dead trees standing, if safe to do so. By attracting birds to your garden, you are creating a more balanced ecosystem, where natural pest control methods can flourish. Birds, with their diverse diets and feeding habits, play a crucial role in keeping insect populations in check, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Creating a garden that supports insect diversity is not just about ecological responsibility, it's also about personal enrichment. There is a quiet joy in observing the intricate lives of insects, in witnessing the delicate dance of pollination, in marveling at the diversity of life that can be found in even the smallest of spaces. Take the time to sit quietly in your garden and observe the comings and goings of its tiny inhabitants. Watch as bees diligently collect pollen from flowers, their buzzing a reassuring hum in the air. Follow the flight of a butterfly as it flits from blossom to blossom, its wings a kaleidoscope of colors in the sunlight. These moments of quiet observation connect us to the natural world, reminding us of the beauty and wonder that exists beyond our human-centric perspective. They foster a sense of appreciation for the interconnectedness of all living things, inspiring us to become better stewards of our planet. The impact of our gardening choices extends far beyond the boundaries of our own backyards. By creating gardens that support insect diversity, we are contributing to a larger movement to restore and protect biodiversity on a global scale. Insects are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. Our gardens, no matter how small, can provide crucial refuge for these creatures, offering food, shelter, and a safe haven from the challenges they face in the wider world. By making conscious choices about the plants we grow and the gardening practices we employ, we can collectively make a difference. We can create a network of interconnected gardens that act as stepping stones for insects and other wildlife, supporting their movement and survival in an increasingly fragmented landscape. The choices we make in our gardens matter. By choosing to plant for insect diversity, we are choosing to support the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations. Let us transform our gardens into havens for life, where the buzz of bees and the flutter of butterfly wings are not just a dream, but a vibrant reality. Let us choose plants that provide food and shelter for beneficial insects. Let us embrace the use of native plants, recognizing their crucial role in supporting local ecosystems. Let us garden with nature, not against it, understanding that our actions have far-reaching consequences. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can create a world where gardens are not just places of beauty, but beacons of hope for a more sustainable and biodiverse future.